lukewarm take. You can dislike a character whilst still acknowledging their actual personality, the good things about them and their flaws, and avoid mischaracterizing their entire being just to make them look worse than they already are. So, let me give an example. For instance, take Mitsuri from Demon Slayer. I've seen people post about disliking her, but most of the time their reasons are because she's a pick-me, or because she dresses like a slut? You cannot be serious. Let me just place the definition of pick-me up here on the screen, so you can see how that makes not a tidbit of sense. And yes, Mitsuri's uniform could be described as revealing and kind of skimpy, but it isn't like she deliberately wanted that uniform. In fact, she didn't really want it at all. She felt uncomfy wearing it, but said nothing since she thought she would sound rude. She only feels comfortable wearing it because of the socks Obanai gave her, which covered her legs up way more. And I'll admit this. At times, Mitsuri can be annoying and immature. Hell, in the first season when she was first introduced, I found her annoying. But my point still stands. And that's wraps. Makomo signing off.